Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the third problem from exercise 3.7, page number 68. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slow by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train, right? So we'll start the solution like this. Suppose say the train is going from point A to point B at some certain speed s. Okay, so let us say the distance BD, speed is s, and it finished the total distance in time t. So as we know, speed is equal to distance by time, means distance is equal to speed into time, right? So let us say this is our first equation. So what is the first condition they are telling? If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, normally it is s. If it is 10 km faster means s plus 10, right? Distance will be same only. If the train is moving faster, the time will be less. So how much time it is less? 2 hours early it has gone, right? So t minus 2, right? So s plus 10 is equal to d divided by t minus 2. So this is your equation number 2, right? Then what is the third condition they are telling? If the train is slower by 10 km per hour, that is the speed is reduced by 10 km per hour, same distance. If the train is going slower, then it will take more time. How much more time? 3 hours. So t plus 3. This is my third equation, right? So s minus 10 is equal to d divided by t plus 3. So now let us simplify this. Let us take this equation number 2. I'll just cross multiply this one. So s plus 10 multiplied by t minus 2 is equal to d, right? So just multiply this one. st minus 2s plus 10t minus 20 is equal to d. What is d for us? st, isn't it? So put st here, cancel. So the first equation here will be minus 2s plus 10t is equal to 20, right? So this is equation number 4, right? Again, take equation number 3, s minus 10 multiplied by, just cross multiply again, right? S minus 10 multiply with t plus 3, that is equal to d. Multiply here, st plus 3s minus 10t minus 30 is equal to, in place of d again I will write st. This will get cancelled. So 3s minus 10t is equal to 30, right? So let us say this is equation number 5. Now see, equation number 4 and 5 are our required linear equation pair. Now let us start these two equations to get the speed and time, right? So I'll just add these two equations by elimination method. Just t will get eliminated because this is plus t and minus t. So 3s minus 2s is s is equal to 20 plus 30 is 50, right? So s is equal to 50 here. That is the speed, the actual speed, the original speed is 50. Let us try for finding out the value of time t also. So minus, I'll take this equation, minus 2 into 50, 100 minus 100 plus 10t is equal to 20, right? So 10t is equal to 20 plus 100, that will be 120 here. So t is equal to 12 hours, right? So 50 is kilometer per hour, right? So what is the question they have asked? Find the distance covered by the train. So we found the speed and also the time. Now you know speed is equal to distance by time, right? So then distance they have asked, distance is equal to speed into time, that is 50 multiplied by 12. So this will be 600 kilometer, right? This is how we can solve this problem. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.